G'day! In today's video I've got a MSI R9 290 Gaming 4G, and this particular one I want to take the cooler off and replace the thermal paste on this one. Fans themselves are still good. I'm not sure how far I need to tear down to get to it, so I'm going to start with the obvious. 4 Phillips head screws. It does look like it has been done once before, considering there is a damaged warranty sticker over here. Now, hopefully I'm going to remove enough that the backplate stays on and I can get in there to do the thermal paste. Some people may also want to do the thermal pads. I will try and measure them so at least know what size you need. Get that off. So I've got a few more to go. So this backplate will have to come off as well. You have some greasy stuff up there. I will note if the screws are of a different size. Go. And after saying I won't take the backplate off, it looks like I am going to be taking the backplate off. And hopefully that'll be it. Go. All those are of the same length. So it does feel like it's almost taped down. It's got some tape on this corner over here. Yeah, it is taped, but also we're off. So on this one, it looks like the thermal paste has been replaced before. I'll just disconnect the fan over here, which should be able to rock forward and back and pull up. And we should disconnect like so. And we do have one thermal pad here, one down here, and the rest of them are over here. Strangely, there is none along this section. Bit odd. Anyway, I won't delve too far into that. I can actually see them down there. Take a quick measure. This one's to turn on. There we go, we're on. Grab this sucker. Still looks rather oily, so I'd say it's still in good condition, so I'm not going to bother replacing it. Pull this down. No, we flat. 0. Pull back. Nah, this one's not cooperating. We are closer to 2 mil. I think I am squishing that. No, possibly 1.5. No, I'm not trusting my measurer. I'll need to improve that one, so sorry, I will only be going for the thermal paste. Next up, I'll need some tissues and some old friend isopropyl. Spray on here. Wipe. This stuff is fairly fresh. Your stuff may be a lot more solid. This stuff still seems greasy, which if your thermal paste is greasy, usually it's still pretty good. I do find a toothbrush does help a little bit. It's a weird mark that I'm not actually able to remove, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Go down here. There's a wipe. Excuse me. And with thermal paste, everyone's an expert, so time to put the incorrect amount of thermal paste on here, even if it is the most accurate amount. Go. Check out that beauty. Release the hate into the comments. Let's use a bit of cardboard to smear it around. Taking at it like a madman. Okay, that's spread reasonably well. Next up from here is reassembly, which should be rather straightforward now. So first of all, I'll start off by reconnecting the fan. Make sure none of your thermal pads have fallen off, or they're all looking relatively good. I would say they are between 1.5 and 2 mil, the vast majority of them. And next up, reconnect the fan header, or fan to the header, and we should just be able to lay it down and line up the holes as we proceed to get closer, like that. Then from here, it should be a matter of putting back all the screws, and we'll do the IO shield to begin with, and I'm assuming it also takes some of the force off the heatsink itself, so the card shouldn't bend too much. This one would be a more premium version of the R9 290. Yeah. Granted, it's old, but with critical shortages worldwide, it's still becoming relevant again. If this was a 2 gig model, I would say it would not be. But being it's a 4 gig model and great gaming textures are on the rise, then it's definitely still workable in 2021. Might look great, but you could still definitely use it. Go, screw in. Oop. Screw tried to escape on me. And lastly, this screw. Yeah. Just make sure the torque on them was all good. And from there, you should hopefully have some new thermal paste on your R9 290. I'll take the sticker off here. There we go. Much better. Bye.